welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be looking at video and how you can actually create video without being on video. So the last few days we've been looking at live streaming, putting video into Instagram Live, but actually what happens if you don't want to put yourself in front of the camera? Maybe you're a little bit nervous, you're a little bit apprehensive about being in front of the camera, or maybe you just don't feel comfortable being in the spotlight. And that can happen to lots of people, and it's all about just getting used to being in front of the camera and growing confidence. But it shouldn't stop you from creating video, because video is one of the best assets that you can create for your social media marketing. So why not create video without you being in front of it? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a tool that I use a lot, which is called Mojo. So Mojo is an app which you can use on both your mobile phone and your iPad. And I prefer to use it on the iPad because the screen's a bit bigger. So I've got my iPad with me today. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my iPad with you onto the screen. And I'm going to show you all the sort of things that you can do inside of Mojo to create video for your social media marketing that doesn't depend on you being in front of it. So Mojo is a free app, but they do have a pro plan. Now, I'm not affiliated with Mojo. It's just an app that I use, and I teach my clients to use it when they are in my Stories for Business course. So I have a Facebook and Instagram Stories for Business course. If you want to check that out, I'll drop the link below. And Mojo is one of the apps that I encourage my students to use in order for them to get visible online. So before I jump into Mojo, a little bit about me. My name is Anita. I'm a digital coach and tech enabler, and I help you to use the tools at your fingertips to get the visibility you and your business deserves. And I know that 2020 has been an absolutely wild year for all of us. And actually moving yourself from an in-person business to an online business has been really, really tricky for all of you. So I'm hoping that this channel will help you with that transition. And if you want to learn more about how you can use all these tools that are available to you, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so that you get notified the next time I upload a video like this or I go live on my channel. Okay, so I'm inside the App Store on my iPad. Now, Mojo is available for both the Android and the iPad or the iPhone. So you will find it inside the Google Play Store as well. All you need to do is search for Mojo, and as you can say, it's actually an Insta Stories editor. So the Mojo app was created with Instagram Stories in mind. However, if you have the Pro version, you can actually change the format of the post that you're creating to square so that it fits into your Instagram feed. And this is one of the really easy ways that you can actually create video for your Instagram account or your Facebook account without yourself being on camera. As you can see, you can create lots of different options inside of Mojo. And if you do have the Pro account, which is really low cost, I think it's about £14.99 in pounds, then you can add your own logos, you can add your own fonts to the account, and you have access to all of their premium templates, which will help you to record your videos for your social media. Okay, so when you go into Mojo, you're presented with their featured templates. So as you can see, if you scroll across, there's lots of different templates in here that you can utilize. And this is why it's such a good app for you to create video without yourself being on video. And as you can see, there's lots of other options as well. And it goes through all sorts of different business orientated posts so that you can choose something that will fit in with your brand or your messaging that you want to use. If we have a little look at some of the posts that I've already created, we have to go to the My Story area. And this will show you some of the videos that I've created without me having to be on the camera myself. The one here, which is the 20th of December one, I've just done that today. I actually created this video in a square format, and you'll see this inside my Instagram account. If you want to go and check out my Instagram account @_Anita_Wong, you'll find this video inside of my Instagram feed post as a carousel video post. So as you can see, it's really, really cool. And you can download any part of the video as you create it as separate posts or as one full video. The next video I'd like to show that I created is the ones that I create for my Instagram stories. So I create a lot of my Instagram stories videos in here. One of the things I like about creating my videos in here, especially my stories, is that it gives you a maximum of 15 seconds, which is the required length for your stories. But it's also really good because you can create videos for your feed posts up to 15 seconds as well, which gives you a really good short form video for your other accounts. So just a little insight into the Pro area. If you click on the Pro button, it's going to bring you into what you can do inside the Pro area. And as you can see, you can have all these different features inside of there. Now, if we go to our design preferences, so if you are going to go for the Pro version, you go to the design preferences, and as you can see, you can add your own brand colors, you can add your own brand fonts, you can add your logos. And this is where you can adjust your default format for your videos. So you can come into this area and swap it over as often as you wish. So depending on what your video is for and where you plan to post your video, you can actually adjust your formats for it. And as you can see, you can have 9:16, which is a perfect Instagram and Facebook business stories post. You can have 4:5, which is a portrait post. You can have 1:1, which is a square, and then you can have the standard 16:9, which is the horizontal. We're going to stay in the square area because I want to show you how you can create video for your social media posts without you actually having to be on there. So then all we need to do is go to the template option. And inside the template option, we're just going to choose one of the videos that we've got on offer. So as this is Vlogmas and we are leading up to Christmas, I'm going to show you how to create a Christmassy video for your social media posts as we come into Christmas so that you can actually express a message to your fans. So go ahead and click this one. And what it will do is it will show you all the different design templates that they've produced under the Christmas theme. So we'll just flick through and have a little look at those. So you can see they've got some really nice designs. And when you click on them, it opens up and then you can replace the picture or the videos that are in there with your own or the ones that they give you inside of their stock catalogue, which is also really awesome. Okay, so we're going to choose this one to start off with. So when you want to choose the one that you want to use, all you have to do is go create story. Now it's automatically going to open up into that story format because that was the template we chose. However, you can change the layout straight away. So we are creating a video for our normal social media areas. So that's in our feed posts and our 9 square grid of our Instagram account. So all you have to do is click that little brush on the bottom left-hand side. And then where it says format, you click the format option and you go to square and it will automatically resize it for you, ready for it to go into your Instagram feed or your Facebook business page or even into LinkedIn or Twitter. Click done. And now we're left with our post. So what we're going to do now is, as you can see, there's that grey faded area. Now that's where you want to put your picture. So when you click on that, it's going to open up your own camera roll, or you can choose from the stock videos inside of Mojo itself. So this is where we can get really, really adventurous and not put ourselves in front of the camera. So let's say I am a personal trainer and I want to create a video of a personal trainer type style as a Christmas message. So what I'm going to do up the top is I'm going to put personal trainer and click return. And now it's going to bring up lots of different ideas for personal trainers. So as you can see, there's lots of different fitness ideas, lots of different videos that we can use inside here as a personal trainer. If you want to look at photos, you can go ahead and do the same one for photographs. And of course, there might be more versions in the photograph area. So let's just choose one of these. So let's just say this one, for instance. We can have a little look. All of it has been given to you so that you can use it without needing to give an attribution to people. If you don't like the one that you've chosen, so let's maybe go for this one, you just click select and it will automatically fill your new video with this picture. Now it's going to be a video because, as you can see, it's automatically popped that sprinkling in of Christmas joy, and then we've also got the season's greetings writing. Now you may want to change that wording. So to change that wording, all you have to do is tap on the wording that you want to change. So click on the first one and then go to the little pencil and you'll be able to change what it says. So we could say Merry, and then change the bottom one and do Christmas, like so. And then all you have to do is click on it and that's how it looks. Then if you click the little eye at the very top, you can see what your actual video is going to look like. Okay, so this actual video is around 4 seconds long, so it's not a very long video, but we are going to add to this to make a video message inside of here. So what we've got now is we've got Merry Christmas, and then what we want to do is we want to press the plus button. It's going to give us the options to add another page. So we're going to click page, and then what we're going to do is we can either use the one that we've already got, or we can go through all the different options and choose one from there. Now, I want to stick to the actual Christmas theme, and I can mix it up a little bit later. So I'm going to click that again. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change the picture in the background to a different picture. So let me go for stock video, but instead of this, I'm going to do, okay, so gym training has given me a lot of different options, but these are videos. So as you can see, they range between sort of 5 seconds and 15 seconds, and some of them are even longer. So we're going to go ahead and choose one of these. So let's maybe choose one. So she's doing a bit of personal training. So click select, and that's going to go inside of your actual video. So now we've got 2 pages. So we go back to the first page. This is the Merry Christmas message. And now we've got this page. So you're going to be able to pop another message on here. So we've got Merry Christmas. So we're going to say, and as you can see, depending on how long you make your writing, it will just reformat itself for you. So enjoy the festive season. So now what I've got, if you want to look at what it looks like, you click the eye at the top and go back to the beginning, and it will play the first tile that we created. And then it will automatically go into the second tile for you. And then what I would do is I would finish it off with another tile to express another wording. So Merry Christmas, enjoy the festive season. And then we'll do another one by clicking the plus button, do page. Again, we're going to stick to the same format. So we're going to choose the same one. And we're going to check what we wrote. So we wrote Merry Christmas, enjoy the festive season. And then we're going to pop a different video in the background. So maybe this might be a still photograph of you in the gym, maybe, because you're the personal trainer. So you do want the message to come from you. So even though you're not physically doing the video, you could always put a picture of you in the video. So I'm going to pop this picture in here, and I'm going to click select. And I'm going to say, enjoy the festive season. And here I'm going to put, see you. And then in here, I'm going to put in the new year. Okay, so now what I've done is I've created my video. Now you can move the writing so that it's not on top of your face if you want to. So if you wanted to move this writing down, you just click it and lower it down. And as you can see, it gives you guidelines so that you know that it's in the central part. And then we'll just pop this one down as well. So click on it and pull it down so that it's not over your face. So just double check that everything is in the right place, that you're happy with all the writing. And then all you have to do, I might just move this down a little bit. Okay, so now we've got our 3 tiles, which are going to make up our video. So go ahead and just check what it looks like. So we start off at the beginning. So that's what the beginning looks like. Then we have the second tile, and then we have the third tile. So then all we need to do to save this to our computer so that we can use it as a video is click save. And it will ask you, save this page only or save all the pages as one video. So we are going to be saving all the pages as one video. So we're going to click save all pages as one video, and it will do its magic. And then it will ask you whether you want to share it directly to your social media platforms or whether you want to save it directly to your computer. So I would suggest that you save it to your iPad or your iPhone or your Android or your tablet, depending on what you're using. So as you can see here, we're going to click save video, and it's going to save that to my camera roll so that I can then repurpose this to my social media platforms. Okay, so that's just a brief insight into how you can create video using Mojo without you being the person in the video. So this will really help you if you're a business owner who is quite nervous about going in front of the camera and being on video. And it will help you to build up your confidence about creating video, but also it will help you to still be present using a format that is really, really essential in your social media growth. If you use video in your marketing, you will definitely get an increase in organic reach because every social media platform loves video. And of course, live video is better, but whilst you're building up your confidence and you're working on your strategies to get yourself in front of the camera, why not use all the tools at your fingertips to get video out there for your business without you having to be in front of the camera? So if you've enjoyed this video, please do give me the thumbs up. I've loved bringing this training to you. And if you, like I said at the beginning of this video, if if you want to see more videos like this, then please do hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you get notification of the next time I upload a video like this. All that's left to say is have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.